How much is the sponge?
I've seen the price. If you haven't already guessed, behind me, I'm at the Porsche Experience Centre in Silverstone, where we have been gifted a track day with the guys at Porsche. And this is how we got on, Elliot. And let's hope I don't crash something, because that would be expected.
So I've just arrived at James's. Text him, no answer. Let's give him a call, see what we can do. It's 20 past. I've been calling him for the last 20 minutes. Nothing from him, and then I just silence. Are you outside? Can you believe it?
I haven't done this in fucking years, mate. Amateur. Are we recording now, are we?
Yeah.
Hello, everybody. Oh, shut up, it's shut. We're open till 6:30. Bullshit. How far are we away from the track, Elliot?
11 minutes from Porsche Experience, apparently.
Okay.
I'll tell you what, for Porsche Experience areas, mate, roads are worse for wear.
Yeah, they're a bit potholey, aren't they? You nearly went into an asteroid crater before,
That
didn't
was
you?
not a pothole. That is not a pothole. That is coastline erosion in the middle of wherever the fuck we are.
I just think they'll take one look at us and just turn us away.
Yeah, for sure, mate.
One of our clients got a Porsche GTS and he got a Porsche Experience Day and he's basically gifted it to me. Trevor, if you're watching, thank you very much. But if you have to pay for this, apparently it's a couple of grand, I had a quick look on the website. It's like...
Have you done any track days? Is this going to be your first experience on a
I
track?
have never gone on a track day.
Have you not?
Ever. Never.
Yeah.
Never.
Go on, James. Get him on a track, lad. I can't wait for the Smarty to come off the track.
I'm like a little kid right now. Thing is, those track days are designed to make you buy a car.
Well, no, the whole experience is there to tempt you into a higher level car than you've already bought. The joke on Porsche, we haven't bought one.
Hey! So good luck with that Porsche. I want a Porsche. Have you been to Silverstone before?
I've been to Silverstone a couple of times. I've been to Abu Dhabi.
Gumball Rally.
I've done Mille Miglia.
Oh, okay, sorry.
Rally. I've also been in cars in Germany as well. Go on, mate. Go on. Go on.
He's dusted you. They have a golf club and hotel. Woo! That's the guy with the ivies.
Brother, Porsche Experience? Yeah, perfect.
Oh, nice.
Confirmation of the booking. Now, I thought if we just turned up, you'd let us in.
There you go, mate. Thank you very much.
It's right hand side. Thank you so much. You too, boss.
Cheers, mate.
Look at that. Those are the stands. That's where rich people's bums usually stay.
That's a big indication, isn't it? It's a big Porsche bit there.
Do you reckon I need to lock my car around here or it'll be all right?
I think we'll be okay, mate. We're in the middle of Silverstone.
Well, I was on about the fact that if they're going to rob a car, it'll probably be one of the Porsches over there, won't it?
That's also a fair point. What are you saying, yellow or green? I like the green, with the lit round the wheels and the accents.
Have you got your driver's license with you? It says it's expired on the front.
Does your driving licence expire? All right.
Margin. So it would have expired in February 2025.
Right, the licence is valid, but it's run out. My driver's licence is apparently out of date. So they've not kicked us out because I've got a valid driving licence, but it's run out of date, which means I'm in trouble if I got pulled over by the police.
Because if the police stop you, that's a £1,000 fine.
I didn't know this. You have to update it every 10 years.
Use your common sense.
Cheers.
Lovely.
I've got half an hour to find my national insurance number.
No, it's not in there, no.
That's not in this breakfast. Where's my beans? I need my national insurance number and I need it the next 25 minutes. Sorry. 6C. Chin chin. Mate, look at that door shut there. What is that? Has that been wrapped or is that compound? It's compound, look. Porsche, come on.
It's bad, that, isn't it?
Oh, mate, look at the PPF on this.
I don't need to look at it, mate.
Oh, mate, look, it's there as well. If you don't know what these are, they're supposed to be called relief lines. So what they do is, generally if you wrap around them corners, they're the first to peel off, right? So the lazy way is to just cut them and forget about it. But they've done it everywhere. You take half a step back and you don't look at it and you squint, can't see it, looks mint. But I could say that to every client and customer that comes and picks their car up from us. I could say, don't look at it, squint, take half a step back, and it's fine. But we can't do that, can we? They're not bad to an untrained eye. That's the thing. Everyone here, no one cares. No one cares. The customer cares when they get their car, of course they do, because they'll go, what the f is that? Oh, that's bad, isn't it, look?
That's bad, that.
Sorry, gents. All centre caps on all Porsches, no matter what you do, products, cleaning, you name it, they always discolour and they always end up turning like this. There's literally nothing you can really do about that, unfortunately, apart from replace them. Clever that, isn't it?
Do you want to go on the roof?
On the roof?
Yeah.
See that guy's all plastic? Yeah, from Sussex. Oh, mate, that's good, that. Look at that. So this isn't actually on Silverstone track, like you said. This is a track, I'm guessing, that Porsche have built, or Silverstone have built and Porsche are renting it, I don't know. But that's it, just around there, isn't it? I mean, how far does this go? I wonder if you get timed as you go around. I hope it don't end up stone last. Nice to meet you.
Hi James, I'm Neil, I'm looking after you.
Neil, nice to meet you, Neil. Beautiful. I'm looking forward to this. Ah, beautiful, thank you.
I'll talk you through. I'll put that in the door.
Yeah, of course, yeah. Okay.
We're not allowed to do that.
Oh, sorry. He said you're not allowed to film. Right. I'm like, cool. Stick it there.
Yeah.
Right, just stick it in gear and go for a drive. Now, you see
Is that too much too soon? Straight down.
Squeeze. Turn in, roll off.
Balance. Keep it left.
Into the white post.
Turn in, no brake.
Unwind,
Slowly the brake. Outside. Like a little kid right now. I want a Porsche.
Help me, I'm poor.
You have fun, mate. That's why you're here.
They took you around the slippery slidey bit. There used to be 3 in the country, it's the only one left in the country.
Yeah.
I can actually teach you how to do that properly. This first time he went, yeah, you just come off the throttle, next time you'll be fine. Did it the second time, did exactly what I said, did it perfectly. It's like, well done. Now we're going to turn all the driving aids off. Like I said, if you get this, no one really gets this first time. Nobody. Yeah. Nobody but me. 3 attempts later, I was like, lock. I was like, go the other way. This steering wheel does nothing now, I'm too far gone. So Ellie's just gone out with the Porsche, and I'm going to go through and answer some of your emails. Oh, has he spun out?
That back end of that Porsche does not like me, mate. Not at all.
Did you go through the bit where, you go slip and slide and all that?
Yeah, and he said you're much better at that than me.
I'm
you
much
are,
better.
yeah.
Really?
I was shit, mate. Yeah,
Really?
Yeah. My thing is, I just couldn't keep the thing at 20. It was too trigger happy, mate. So I was doing it, and he was like, "Oh, that was great," but when I said hold at 20, you went to 30 and then held. But he just kept saying to me, he's like, make love with your Michelin man. Stare into its eyes. So I'm doing that, and like you're going and you're staring. I'm staring into his eyes, but I'm looking over my shoulder, mate. And he's like, "Yep, that's what you should be doing." Like, so I prefer the track though. I could have just done the whole hour just on the track.
Yeah.
I don't want to know any of the skids, the accelerator, 0 to 60s. I don't care.
He's a good instructor, isn't he?
Yeah, he is good. He's so monotone though, isn't he? Just so blasé. He's like left into that.
I think you've got to be though.
You've got to trust him, be casual and hold a conversation, but also be like, don't write your car off, mate, because when you give that some wellies, it wellies like.
I wish you could have recorded that. Right? The lady who's dropped off our chocolate tahini. Posh guys who watch our videos, describe to me what this is.
I'll take a picture and I'll ask Charlie.
Chocolate tahini. It looks good. Does it taste good? This is not a food channel. I've got no spoons.
Basically, we've had food. I'll put some pictures of what food we've just eaten, if you call it food, snacking debris. I asked Charlie, to guess the meals, basically. So Charlie's come back. Charlie's guessed for what this was. Raspberry and tar and glue remover. Venison and assorted fruit. Don't know. This one is sea bass and crab cake. Right, with some type of basically mayonnaise that they put a fancy name on. Do you know what he's called it? Again, just a reminder for the picture.
What's Charlie called that?
Charlie's called this cod and heavy cut. Because he thinks the blodge in the middle is heavy cut compound. That's funny. We weren't here for a food review, gents, but it seemed to happen.
What's the same? Question is it better than Greg's?
Ooh, that fresh baked smell. What are you comparing it to? Like donut from Greg's? No, that's better than a donut than from Greg's. It is, but I'll be honest, the sea bass and the starter, give us a sausage roll any day, lad.
For sure is Greg's cockle.
I know, right?
The lady, I hope I recorded it this morning, but when she asked if I want any sauce with my breakfast, and I said, yeah, brown, the foul look that I got asking for HP sauce in this part of the world.
Brown?
Are you sure, sir? You are at Silverstone. Only common folk from up north have brown.
You would like brown sauce?
There is some really cool stuff. Should we go and have a look in the shop?
Have you actually got a shop?
Yeah.
Have it?
Let's go then.
How much is a cat? 24 quid. That's cheap. That's cheap. That is cheap. But that's not 48 quid. There you go, cup. There you go. I said 20 quid. I'm a £9 off. No, £5 off there. Mate, just a thermal mug, you know, like a Porsche one, 44 quid. Why is it 44 quid? There's got to be a reason behind that. Oh, pen. Wasn't far off. Bingo. That's what that is. It looks like carbon fibre, but it won't be real. That'd be plastic. This is more... Oh, sponge. Mate, no one's bought it. Look, it's gathering dust.
How much is the sponge?
I've seen the price. You ready for this? Guess. Everything. The bag, the kit.
It's Porsche, innit? It's not going to be less than 100 quid, is it? 120?
What do we get for £164? We get a sponge.
I'd have that just on the desk.
I won't do the unit floor with that. You've got a degreaser. I mean, I like the bottle. The bottle's cool, but it looks like a piston. We've got shampoo, 250ml. That looks like aftershave. We've got paintwork polish.
What?
A hard wax. That isn't a hard wax. Window cleaner.
That is the coolest window cleaner bottle I've ever seen.
Yeah, so there'll be a measuring bit there. Inside glass cleaner. Why have you got an outside and an inside glass cleaner? And why is it 100ml? And I'm confused. Window cleaner. Ah, that's for your windscreen wash. Yeah. And then you've got a nice bag. Here's a nice bag. That's a nice bag, that. I like that bag. Nice little hook on it as well, so you can hook it to stuff. What'd you get inside? Sacrilege.
Oh no, they sell a sham. That's criminal, that.
Poor paintwork. Glass cloth times 3. That's just surely a bit of packaging. Don't know why that would be in there. Yeah, that is horrendous. Madness. The car care kit's just horrendous. Yeah. That is like despicable. Now, I'm all for a bit of car memorabilia. Like a cap or a mug. Cool, that's as far as it goes. Yeah. When you start buying wine stoppers, it's 2 in 1. I don't know what the 2 in 1 means.
Well, one's pourer and one's stopper, which seems a little bit of an oxymoron to me.
It's a moron. You got that right. And that is us finally done here at Porsche at Silverstone. Great day, didn't crash, thank God, but now I actually do want a Porsche. So, need to do some more videos, Elliot. Well, thanks for watching, like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and we'll see you, as always, Elliot, on the next video. I want a Porsche. I've still got a offence on my licence. 3 points. Speeding. Crime's getting caught though, isn't it, gentlemen?